Hello guys, I am ProBlaze and today I am playing 1 plus speed motorcycle tsunami escape. Oh, I didn't play it earlier. This is first time and don't forget to like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. This game is escape the tsunami and take the wins. How did I died? Just try again. I again saying don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? I'm a small content creator. Please like and subscribe. And also hype this video. Don't forget that. And hey, very slow tsunami is coming, so we can cross it. We don't want 3 wins. I want more than it. No tsunami is coming, so we can easily cross it. Oh, a medium tsunami is coming. Jump and cross. Yeah, we did it. I don't want 20 wins. I want more. I don't know what is the next win coming. A very slow tsunami is coming. 50 wins. I want it. Now I can take new bike. I want third bike. I think 5 plus speed. 5 plus steps, sorry. I want to speed up. Oh, this is going very fastly than I expected. What? I again died. I don't know, this is like a glitch. I want to cross the tsunami. Oh, someone has going very speedily. I want that. Oh, a fast tsunami is coming. A 20 winds is there and very slow tsunami is coming. Oh, look at their bike. I have only this noob bike. Oh, how can I cross this? The tsunami is coming again and again. A slow tsunami is coming. Oh, again 50 wins. I died. What? I want more speed. I want to cross that. I want more wins so I can take new bike. Look at my character's face. He's sad because you don't like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe, okay? See it. My character is very sad. Please like and subscribe. We are again trying this. Immediate tsunami coming. That is easy. Wow, my bike is going faster than before. Yeah. Oh, I want more. Go. My speed level is 60. Wow, amazing. I can. Yes, I did. 120 plus speed. I don't want. I want more speed. 300? No. I want more. The slow tsunami is coming. 400. That's nice, but I want more. Wow, look at so many people are purchasing everything. I don't have some Roblox, so I cannot purchase something. We can increase our speed while the tsunami is coming. Tsunami gone. Another tsunami came. What a shit. Okay, that gone. Again slow tsunami. No, please. Please like and subscribe. Okay, I again saying that. Please. Okay, I'm going. Immediate tsunami is coming. I can. No. Shit. What? Shit. Which time I can do it? I don't know. A slow tsunami is coming. After that, I will cross this. Or I will take the 800 wins. No, yes, a slow tsunami is coming. I cannot go there. So many people have purchased it with the Roblox. Disable waves to expand. I cannot purchase because I don't have Roblox. Oh, I want to cross this. No tsunami coming, so very fast. Shit, I cannot do it. This is very hard. A medium and slow tsunami is coming. I want to wait more time. That time, you want to like and subscribe. And also hype this video, okay? Yes, now we can go. No tsunami is coming. Super. What a tsunami is this? 1000 plus win? Yes, I want it. Now I can take new bike. Yes, purple bike. I want purple bike. Yes, oh, this is very faster than my bike. Oh, my level is going very fastly. I think you like and subscribe. I know it. My character is smiling. I want to check my rebirth. Oh, we can now rebirth. Yeah, we want 50 plus level to rebirth again. Now I am ready. I am going for a fight. Immediate tsunami is coming. Yeah, I win. Oh, so many people are going very fastly. I want more speed bike. I don't want this anymore. I only have 535 wins. Oh. Again that purple tsunami is coming. This is very fast. Okay. Yes. Now we can go. Go. I want more wins. No, I cannot. I can't. Just go back. The tsunami gone, but another tsunami came. What? This is very hard. Yes, tsunami gone. We want to. That's a very slow tsunami. I cannot cross it. What is this, man? That red tsunami is again coming. That's very fast. The blue cross the green and the green cross green. I don't know. Yeah, we want to cross it. No tsunami, so we can win. Yes, 1 on, tsunami is coming, but we can win. 2000 plus. No, I want more. I will take it. And I just want it. I will take it. Oh, I get that bike. Yes. Oh, look at this bike. This is very fast. Wow, my level is going very fast and fastly. Guys, I am again saying, don't forget to like and subscribe and hype this video. Now we are ready for a fight. Just go. Oh, this is very fast, but I cannot control it. Oh, the tsunami is coming. Oh, shit. Yes. To go on. No, we can go. Another tsunami coming. We can cross it. He died. Now we can cross it. Yes. We are crossing it. How did he survive that? I think he's a hacker. I don't know. Just I want win. I don't take that problem. This is very hard to cross the tsunamis. So many people have these trails. I don't have. I think this is free. Yes, this is free. Daily reward and wheel reward. We can get it. I just did it. Yes, purple tail is there. The very slow is not coming. We want to cross that. Oh, so many people purchase it with so many Robux. That tsunami gone. Now we can cross. Yes. Cross. Yes! Cross it. What is this scroll button? I just press it. Kill? No. I want so many Roblox to kill players. Okay. I'm going. No, I cannot. Oh, look at my bike. It's very cool. Again, 50 plus people's purchased something. Oh, I can speed now. I just want that trail. Please. One trail. Okay, speed. Yeah, not bad. I just want it. The tsunami gone. Now we can go. Just go. No. The orange tsunami gone. Now we can go. And I don't want it. I want. No. I can. Yes. I want 3k plus win to get that bike. Now I want that 3k wins. Oh, this very slow. Tsunami is very slow. They died. Oh, so many tsunamis are coming. Fast, medium, slow, very fast, very slow. Now, yeah, we are going. Yes, we can do. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Yes. No. Only 4. We want 3k. Oh, my speeding is at 43. Medium. Now we can go. I am very bored and this game is very hard than I expected. 1000, next is 2000 and we want 3k. Yes. No. Oh, so many tsunamis. Medium, slow, very slow. I don't like it. Oh, this game is very boring and very hard. Now we can. No. Again this freaking tsunami. I don't like it. Now we can go. Yes. We want 3k, not 2k. I want it. Just cross 1 level. Yes, go. I got it. Yes. Who is this Gojo? Yeah. I finally got this. Oh, Astra. These bikes name is Astra. Oof. This give me so many steps. 375 steps. Oh, this is very fast than I expected. And I'm signing out. And goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will take the part 2